So today we're taking a look at the GoveeLife Smart Nugget Ice Maker Pro. In this video, we'll do a quick unboxing, we'll set it up, plus we'll connect it to its smart app so you can start making ice when you're not home, which is pretty cool. A couple things that you do want to know is that within 24 hours, this is producing 60 pounds of ice. That's a lot of ice. So you can take some of that ice and go ahead and put it in your freezer for later. Another thing, rapid ice production in 6 minutes. So if you're at a party and they're just like, where's the ice? Within 6 minutes, you got the ice. Or, I don't know, you can go probably take some of that 60 pounds of ice that you made earlier. And of course, a smart control app. And of course, since this guy's gonna be making ice, 3-year warranty. So let's get straight to the unboxing. Now keep in mind that this is a heavy box. You're probably gonna need 2 people to lift this up. So make sure you have someone with you as you are moving this box around. So one of the first things you need to decide is if you're going to use a drain extension pipe. Here's your water pipe and your drain extension. Of course, this will connect to our water compartment that we'll install shortly. This is your drainage pipe. The only time you would need an extension is if, let's just say, your sink is just too far away and you need to extend it, you would attach this to that. Now, this can be connected the entire time. You would only use this if you were to drain your nugget ice maker or clean it. You would pop this out and then drain it in the sink. Next, you want to take out the ice bucket and clean this thoroughly, and also clean the inside as well. It does come with some cleaning solutions to help you clean and also a sponge, so make sure you clean all of this and also the filter as well. Then you're gonna remove the lid to the top water tank. Of course, clean inside and make sure you take out the filter so you can clean this individually as well. Once that's done, you're going to add some water to this line, the Ice Empty Max. We'll plug it in and then we'll start our first cleaning session. Once that's done, we'll go ahead and drain out our water in the sink. Now you're going to install your water tank, so lift this up. You're going to put the feet on here, put that there. Make sure you clean your water tank as you did with everything before, and go ahead and just slide it right on top. It also features a magnet to hold your ice scooper too. Make sure to grab your A pipe and then plug it to the back of your water tank. And you can leave the B pipe hanging behind your ice maker. Now to add water into the water tank, go ahead, turn it upside down, unscrew the top. Take any water you want. They recommend not using tap water, so you can use water from the fridge or bottled water, and go ahead and pour it inside. Screw it back on and place it on. Now that we're all set, I could just press start here to start our ice making, but let's do it with the app. Now, some other cool things about the app is that you can see its cumulative production in pounds as far as how much ice is there so far. You can run a cleaning, a descaling, you can set a schedule, change the light, and of course you got a cool little light here happening in the front, and you can change the intensity of that light with the slider. You can also turn it off and on if you like, but it looks really cool with it on. Deeper into the settings, you have some other options that you can play with, alerts, buzzers, whole bunch of other things. Again, you don't have to touch the ice maker. Everything is done right here. Now let's talk about the display of our ice maker. As you can see, it's a gorgeous display. It doesn't have that low res look, looks nice, soft, very attractive. Of course, you have your power switch, your clean button here, your descale. You can actually change the light design right here. So right now it's on a flow. This is a cyberpunk, a Candice, fire, paloma, and then back to flow, and of course to start your ice. And then you can actually stop it if you want, or start it again right there. All right, it's definitely been longer than 6 minutes. Let's see what we got here. A full basket of ice. Nice, soft, small ice. Make myself a drink. And call it a day. Okay, let me share with you my final thoughts. First, while it is on standby, it's whisper quiet. When it's making ice, you can hear the ice drops, you can hear the motor going in the background, but it's not too loud, but it's not quiet at all. Again, the display looks nice. It starts making ice quickly, but of course you got to give it some time to build up. And for 60 pounds for 24 hours, make sure you're grabbing some bags and putting that inside of your fridge. Cleaning it up is a breeze, and I just like the way it looks too, especially choosing different colors. That's pretty cool. All right, guys, that is the Govee Nugget, your Pro Nugget Ice Maker. Hope this helps. Take care. Bye. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own. Hey guys, do me a favor. If you like this, leave a like. If you love it, subscribe, and ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. I'll see you next one. Take care. Bye. I'm going to stop holding this and start drinking.